Hello friends, today I will show you how to WordPress install with Softaculous software in cPanel. So let's start. First of all, make sure you need to log in on the cPanel. This is the cPanel. This is the Softaculous interface. So we'll go back to the cPanel interface. This is the cPanel interface, and this is the Softaculous WordPress interface. Also, there are many options you can customize according to your need. Alright, so this will install. We'll install on this directory. So first of all, you need to find Softaculous software. So you need to scroll down in the software section. After some scroll, then you will see the software section. There in some software. So we need to click WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Then need to click here. Then you will see this type of interface, and click on install. Alright, this is the directory as like WP, and this is the main domain. Also you can mention the SSL. So we have no SSL, that's why we will just select the HTTP, and you add the username. You can change anything, admin, password. You can use the generated password. This is the username. Website blog. This is the website blog description, and this is the email. If you want to use some ready-made plugin like backup, improve page speed, limit login, email SMTP, and classic editor. If you want to those plugin install in by default will install the WordPress, then you can select. Alright, we'll just install all in. Also, if you want to more customize, then you can customize here. So we will no need to customize, just working. There is some theme. If you want to use any theme, then you can select here. If you want to see the more theme, then you can click left right button, also click the show all button. Alright, so our primary configuration is done. Now we need to install. Alright, so you can click the quick install. Alright, then it is the not mandatory quick install. It is the custom and quick. Alright, nothing other. Then click on the install. It will take little time, just hold on. Yep, install is done. Now if we can check the WP directory. Yeah, WordPress install is done. So thank you for the watching. My next video, how to WordPress install in custom without Softaculous software, I will show you later. In the meantime, stay with us and subscribe our channel. So thank you for the watching.